How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a whistling video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the technique that we're going to be using today is just whistling without our hands, no fingers, none of that, just whistling with our lips. We'll whistle for 10 seconds, then we'll take a 50-second break. We'll do this for about 5 minutes or so. Again, this video is super chill. We're just learning how to whistle. Practice makes perfect. If you don't get it right away, do not get upset. Just keep practicing. I will make more videos to help you guys out. So let's get started. 10 seconds right now. So just like that, first set done. The key for whistling with just your lips is lip position and tongue position. So when I whistle, this is where my tongue's at. So my tongue is pressed against the back of my bottom teeth. It's not pressed on the bottom like this. It's not pressed down here. It's pressed right here. So against the teeth, you're pushing your tongue. And then all you do is you whistle like this. So again, that's where it is. And lip position, you want as tight a lip position as you can. So you want just a little bit of a hole at the end like this. That's it. And again, play around with your lip positioning until you can whistle. So let's do another 10 seconds. Sparky's just looking at me like, what the heck are you doing? It's funny, huh? So yeah, that's basically all there is to whistling. It's really not too overly complicated. And again, most people probably aren't going to get it their first time whistling. It might take you a couple of days, maybe a week, maybe a couple of weeks to learn how to do this. But again, I will make more videos just to teach you guys technique and just to practice our whistling technique, you guys. And again, it's just for fun. Don't get super upset if you can't get it. It's going to take some time. Trust me, it's going to take some time. Let's do it again. And look at Sparky. Sparky's just looking at me like, what the heck are you doing? That is so funny. Hey, Sparky! She needs a haircut soon, so. Yeah, so this is my 8th video of the day. Cruising along. It's only 9:40, so I've been making videos for 2 hours already. I'm going to make videos till 11:30, so another hour and 45. That'll put me at 3 hours and 45 minutes, almost 4 hours. And then I'm gonna go see the wife. Then I'm gonna come back and make some more videos until she gets off work. And then booyah, 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 we are done. Let's do another 10 seconds. Just like that. Easy, easy peasy, you guys. We are killing it. But yeah, I got a hickey video after this. Thigh fat, arm fat, 6-pack, Kegel. So I would like 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'd like to get 15 videos before I go. That is going to be extremely tough to do. And yeah, we'll see. Okay, we will do another 10 seconds and then the video will be done. So again, this is just practice. Do not get mad. I know when I was first learning how to whistle, I got a little bit upset. I couldn't do it at first, but eventually you will get it and it will become second nature to you. So let's do it again. end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.